So FIFA World Cup 2026 is one of these times of the year that everybody can make money. And a lot of people will be making a lot of money. A lot of spending will be happening, a lot of advertisement will be happening, a lot of activities and events will be happening. And all of it involves money in one way or the other. So how do you make money, especially as a content creator? Well, there are various ways you can make it. And I'm going to share with you some of these ways. You can use it as it is. You can change it as it suits you, or you can use it to inspire you to come up with your own ideas and make money during the FIFA World Cup 2026 as a content creator. Let's go. Become the #1 local World Cup city expert. Micro authority strategy. Why it works? People don't follow general creators, they follow local experts. Position yourself as the expert for one host city, whether it's Toronto, New York City, Los Angeles, Miami, Dallas, Mexico, Vancouver, etc. Create daily short form content answering questions fans are already Googling, like how to get to the stadium, best fan zones, where to watch matches for free, cheapest food near stadiums. You monetize by selling a guide, affiliate links, sponsored city activations. Platforms you're going to use are like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. So this is how you're going to help to make money during the FIFA World Cup as a content creator. Know your city, get to know your city and answer the questions that you would ask if you were coming into a new city, and what people are already asking and will ask as they come into your city. You're already in the city, you know the city, you're in Toronto, you're in Vancouver, you're in Los Angeles, you're in New York, you're in Mexico. Guide these people, answer their questions, and start making money from the affiliate program, whichever you join, from whatever you're selling, from monetization on YouTube and TikTok, etc. So go ahead, man, make money as a content creator. Another way is to launch a digital World Cup guide. Fans will pay to avoid confusion and overpriced mistakes. Create a digital guide covering stadium rules and entry times, transportation hacks, fan zones and watch parties, what to avoid, budget versus luxury experiences. Sell before the tournament using pre-orders. Another way to make money as a content creator, monetize breaking World Cup news faster than media. Speed beats size. Post real-time updates. Real-time updates like match schedules, fan festival announcements, ticket drops, team arrivals, city activation, short, fast videos dominate search and For You pages. And you can monetize with YouTube AdSense, brand sponsorships, paid Telegram, or WhatsApp fan groups. So go ahead. Sell these guides. You know the city. You take the bus. You know the ins and outs, the intricacies. People want that because, yeah, it's easy to say, yeah, you can take the public transit and go around. And then now they realize that there's an electronic system and they don't even understand it. Do a video, show people how to use that electronic system, show them how to get the bus, show them which bus goes directly to the stadium, etc. So they get the answers, they say, okay, yeah, this is how we get there. And you're going to be the one to monetize, and you can also make money from the guides you're selling as well. You put it in the guide, put it in the video. And then breaking news, you're on the ground, you hear what's happening. Partner with these news agencies. Everybody want news right away, you know. And it doesn't matter how big they are, they cannot be everywhere. You can be in your community and things are happening there, and there's no news agency. You can be the first one. You can hear about something happening somewhere. You get there, you share it to your crowd. And even though you might have major news agencies there, which will be there because these guys pay for the right to be the major news agencies for the FIFA World Cup 2026, you can also share it on your media. Right? You're there, you see what's happening, share it with your people, because not everybody is going to watch that specific channel, but they are watching your channel. They are your fans. Plus, people are now finding you as a trusted source. So go ahead, man, share it with them. Start making that money as a content creator for the FIFA World Cup 2026. Another way to make money for FIFA World Cup 2026 as a content creator is to create viral day in the life World Cup content. Why it works, people want to feel the World Cup, right? Document fan zone mornings, match day energy, city vibes, night celebrations, behind the scenes chaos. This human style content goes viral organically. And you monetize with brand deals like fashion, travel, food, UGC licensing, that's media outlets buy your footage, creator funds, and bonuses. So when you monetize creator funds like TikTok, you can also cash in from that. Sell affiliate travel and experience links. Why it is scalable? You earn while you sleep. Recommendation: hotels and Airbnbs usually have affiliate links. Airport transfers have affiliate links. Local tours have affiliate links. Travel SIM cards have affiliate links. Fan merchandise have affiliate links. Use link in buyer tools and track conversions. Go ahead. Make use of these links. These hotels are gonna be booked, and they're gonna go onto these sites and book them. And these sites have affiliate links that you can go and get your link, and people can book through your link for these hotels, for these Airbnbs, for these transfers, for these flights. You just simply have the link. Every time they book, you make some money. You might make a lot of money, you might not make a lot of money, but guess what? You're making money because people are booking. And if you can provide that link, that affiliate link, why not make that money? So go ahead, man. Find all these places, start making money. And especially the day in the life of the World Cup content. If you can create that, the people see firsthand in real time what is going on during the FIFA World Cup. It's gonna be a blast. You can live stream, or you can just post short videos on TikTok and YouTube Reels. Real time, people are like, oh, this is what's happening now. It's gonna get crazy. And I know from experience it works. When I was at the first ever Caribbean Christmas village and I posted it that I'm here live, it was crazy. The response was good, not just to the video, but to the event itself. A lot of people turned out and they were busy for the week. So I know it works. So go ahead, do it and start cashing in. Become a UGC creator for brands. No big following needed. Brands need content, not fame. Pitch yourself to restaurants, hotels, fan zones, tourism boards, sports bars. Offer short form UGC videos they can run as ads. Another thing you can do is host paid World Cup walk-in tours or fan meetups. People crave connection. Stadium area walk-in tours, fan zone crawls, cultural food tours, match day group experience, all of this. Film everything for content reuse. So you can create all these tours, do all these UGC content creation for restaurants, hotels, fan zones, and make money. Another thing you can do is monetize live streaming and watch along commentary. Live content builds trust fast. Host pre-match analysis, fan reactions, no legal streaming, post-match breakdowns, city night live streams, and you can monetize with super chats and gifts, brand sponsorships, paid memberships. Of course, you can sell sponsored content to local businesses. Local businesses need foot traffic. Offer packages like 3 TikToks plus 1 reel plus 1 story. Match day promotion bundle, fan zone exposure content. And of course, build an email list and sell daily World Cup deals. Social platforms change, email doesn't, right? And once you have that list, it doesn't matter what the platforms do, they're your audience. Free World Cup cheat sheet, match day alerts, fan zone maps, then sell exclusive deals, sponsored offers, premium access. Now, email list is something that's very important, whether it's for FIFA World Cup 2026 or whatever, because platforms can demonetize you, platforms can shut you down. I have had several YouTube channels shut down before. Yeah, shut down, still shut down now, right? You can have a lot of flagging from the different social media platforms, as well as the algorithm can change and your views are up and down all over the place. But when you have your email list, those are your customers and you can always get to them directly. So get the email list, provide valuable information, and then from there you can share your offer with them, whatever you're selling, your affiliate link, as well as brands might sponsor one of your newsletters because they want to get that attention from the audience you have. So go ahead, build that email list, start making money. So those are the various ways you can make money as a content creator. It is very possible. Of course, you got to put in the work and a lot of work to build up that attention. But because FIFA World Cup is already a brand itself and already has its own marketing machinery, you're literally going with the flow. It's like a surfer. The wind is already there, the wave is already there. You just need to go there and surf the wave to glory. Thank you for joining me. I am Leroy A. Brown from LeroyABrown.ca.